I think it's safe to say that it's showtime because what do you mean? That the bags have been found, but the lady has not said anything, and Tukulo decided to go and see Blessed. And then when he got there, Blessed is like, "Wabona gore no, ka re no man. Mo, it's shubile time. Ke ha ho ha mese mo tafoleng, a o tshwara slowly, and then kanti he Mr. Sindani could see her motho o ha mese ka mo mora wa hae. Then he just acted cool, but the face was not acting cool. Then he said, "You know what? I'm here to say thank you. Thank you for what you've done for my wife, and I'm just here to appreciate you." It's like, "Oh, okay. Is that all?" Then she says, "Yes." No, well, then Mr. Sindani says, "Yes." And then he left. And then she was shaking. But then she decided to call Olinda. Linda, Mdala was here, and the look in his face said everything. But his lips said that he was here to just thank me. And Olinda said, "You know what? That is your cue to run." And then she says, "Lalela, akukho la ngiyakhona mina, angisabi impi. Ngizomlinda ngengoma kahle kahle. Akukho la ngiyakhona." And then Linda was like, "You know what? Now I don't want to be part of this. I've given you all the information that you need. What is left for you ke gore o mphe tšhelete yaka, and then na se tso mphile disente tsaka ke a vaya jo ke betha one go chatira na famba a ni lavi ku swi nghena a ni lavi ku swi tiva a ni lavi yeyi u nga ni faki a ni lavi ku nghena because na mu tiva munhu waloyo." So also with Mr. Sindani, now he's puzzled because he tells the wife said, "Waiting, harno madi, harasati mutu. Let's try and talk to this blessed of a character." But then now Mr. Sindan is coming back and said, "You know what? I wanted to talk to her. But Hagibona aho hat mese moleta fling, then I realized, oh, kinto tumela, because she is not about to back down." And it shows that it's like, already, nakulwa, like, she is so ready and she's not backing down. So then he says that he decided to leave. They didn't talk about anything, but while of course the plans go forward. And then now Mrs. Sindani asked if there's any suspect that you're thinking of. He says yes, it's Linda. Now that is why Linda should be scared because Lalela. Oh, Linda, my boy. Linda, my guy, awumazi to Mr. Sindani unjani. He is coming after you because you are the one that have all the important information. And unfortunately, when I saw Chitile Ozubins, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Scandal. Ndima Dekwana, Sanbanan Abshen Malweni Minjani, Hipukile Hingongwin. So, Namutlakana on hina Scandal, Hikumakurishla Semsekangi Kantle, looking at the fact that somebody is pregnant. We are expecting another bundle of joy, and this time around, I'm not too sure if it's a bundle of joy because termination has been put on the table. Omunye phezu komunye happened, and then omunye manje sekagijima naboma-abortion clinic. Uthi yena uyayazi ukuthi le nto bazovele bamnikeze ipilisi bese uyaphuza. After maqeda ukuphuza, and then that's it, which means that now everything just falls out. So now Uma Futela says, "You know what? How do you know all of this information? Is it because you've been down this road before? Is it something that you're doing for the first time? Because if it's something that you're doing for the first time, it's quite shady that you know so much information about it. I don't, no, I don't know about it. It's the thing that I'm hearing for the first time, and the friends that I have, they're the ones that told me about it." Ha! I said, "Okay, you know what, Mina, I've been lying to your father for the longest time, so kushuthi manje ngizomtshela ubaba wakho." That did not end well. She decided to write a letter to her father so that the father can at least know what is happening. But again, I don't know how will that end up. On the other side, Tata Poko utlile atlovana mme wa Poko, and he says gore ke a go gopola. And it looks like Mewapoko is having second thoughts. Mewapoko ukarliena uamukupola. But then the problem is, remember, is it Ngoduzo when he's a wife? There's a guy that she's seeing, and she is engaged to be married. So what are the chances ukuthi athanda abantu bawu-2 ngesikhathi esiyi-1? Oh nkosi yami kusazoba late. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe.